Is warning others that heart failure can happen to anyone, even someone who's the picture of health.
Fox 4's Abby Eden is sharing his inspiring story of escaping death twice and finding a new purpose.
Back in 2011, newlywed Christopher Williams was preparing for his first bodybuilding show. He was eating healthy and exercising daily, but something suddenly wasn't right.
So I was waking up in the middle of the night choking because I couldn't eat. Every time I take a bite of something, 2 bites of something, I'd be full. And I was just starting to train to do my first bodybuilding show at that time, so I was really getting upset, like, why can't I eat? What's going on?
Williams went to several doctors, most who told him it was asthma, until one discovered his heart was in desperate trouble. He was sent straight to St. Luke's.
And I got diagnosed with confession. I didn't drink or smoke. I was training for a show, and just all of a sudden just got sick like that.
Williams had multiple mini strokes, then one massive stroke.
I guess I was out for like 3 days.
Miraculously, Williams recovered fully from the stroke. Then on July 4th, 2012, Williams got a new heart. He moved to Texas with his wife for a new job, and he was doing well. Until 4 years after the transplant, his body started to reject his new heart.
He took very good care of the first heart, but because of medication changes, he lost it.
Williams' new insurance wouldn't pay for the name brand anti-rejection drugs, and Dr. Cow says switching to the generic brand caused him to go into rejection. Williams came back to Kansas City and waited in St. Luke's Hospital for a new heart for 213 days.
The biggest challenge was mental this time around.
Williams kept his spirits up by lifting weights, taking walks. A nurse even brought him a stationary bike from home. In the fall, Williams spent one evening out of the hospital to make it to his son's senior night for football. He knew it might be the last chance he'd get to see his son play.
One of my best times of my life, moments of my life.
Finally, on February 3rd, 2017, Williams got the news. A new heart, a perfect match, was available. And a few weeks later, Williams was released from the hospital, a place that had become his second home.
It's a blessing. That's how special St. Luke's was to me.
Through the entire process, Williams was the inspiration for all of his medical staff. The patient, they said, made them better people. And while they were happy to see one of their most inspiring patients healed and ready for a new life, they were sad to see him go.
So many people sit there and they feel sorry for themselves. And when you see someone who is so trying so hard to achieve, if you want to be his cheerleader and cheer along with him.
Abby Eden, Fox 4 News, working for you.
Dr. Cow says Chris Williams' heart problems were caused by idiopathic cardiomyopathy. That's a long way of saying the exact cause remains a mystery. Dr. Cow says get checked out if you have problems breathing, swollen legs, pain in your chest, and a